I'm one of the steam engine drivers here on the island of Sodor. There are lots of engine drivers on Sodor.
And he buffered up to the flatbed to help his friend.
Sometimes. When we're not out with our engines, we come here to country. This is where we change our lunch or eat our work clothes and sometimes play music. There's Mr. Arkwright, Mr. Roberts and me. And sometimes we play a little, sometimes, bang, blow, pluck. Oh, very long.
When you squeeze it in and out, the air makes lots of funny noises.
Everyone can watch us play, including Sir Topham Hatt himself. Oh, yes. Yes. Now, under here is something I can use in the talent show. There.
Hey.
Oh. Hello, Knapford Station. Oh, no. Oh, well, never mind. No, I'll try. 1, 2, 3.
Henry's hero. Stop! Stop! You've been given the wrong coal by mistake.
Thank you. That
Quack.